Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today I want to talk about a Trump. Yes, the hype a little bit calmed down, coin going to correction, people always trap at the top. So yes, let's talk about a zone of interest. Like you know, guys, on this channel we analyze the tokens after listing with initiation accumulation pump model. How to work with that model, I'll recommend you go and check free educational video. What's the point of that token? I don't know. Just to be honest, I don't know what the main purpose. Of course, to make money, right, from the air, some few billions more portfolio, which he can reinvest in other tokens. But maybe they get some plan for this token. I don't think so. It's just like a pump and dump token from United States president, right? If it is, it's just craziness because it just reap for reputation, right? But anyway, after the cycle, if we're now almost at the end of cycle before the last wave of the pump on tokens, and if this token pump to even to 100, for example, and then dump with the all markets, we can say at the end, oh, it's just a seasonality, it's just a cycle. Sometimes it's happened, right? So it's not a pump and dump. Anyway, guys, I'm not a fan of this type of tokens. I'm not hopping into that token. So congrats everybody who made a great profit. Just always, guys, we have to respect each other for the people who made a profit because we're in the same boat, right? And if somebody make a profit, don't need to jealous or doubt or blame that guys. Oh, you're lucky. No, guys, that guys took a risk. Everybody could have took a risk and made a double X or triple X. I skipped this token, so I didn't get a penny from that token. And I don't have a plan to buy this token, even if we drop to the best zone to buy. So because I don't like that type of stories. Maybe like a speculation, right? Intraday is okay, but not for investment. This token already on the 26th rank, and it's kind of mind blowing because the capitalization now it's 6 points. Almost 9 billion with, just listen, with FDV 34 billion. For me, it's just mind-blowing because how the people now invest in that type of tokens with 20% tokens in circulation supply, right? Only 200 million tokens in circulation supply. Yes, we got a like vesting period, so there is a lock at the 80% of supply. They lock for 3 years, blah, 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 all that stuff, guys. But come on, they can get a lot of other wallet. Why they lock exactly for 3 years? I don't know. It means they can dump the token even after 3 years. So that's it. This token on Sol, so I hope it gives some pump for Sol ecosystem. With these numbers, for me personally, it's not a good idea to invest in it. So let's be real. And now the price at 34. The majority, like always, trap it because at 70, at 50, everybody scream that we're going to 100. People always love to see the round numbers. So what we can confirm based on initiation accumulation pump model. I chose 3 exchanges because I want to show you the different levels because like usual on all exchanges, different prices. BitGets, I don't know why the BitGets always list with most realistic listing prices. It's like 10 cents. So based on the BitGet, the zone for accumulation can be this one. It's okay zone to buy, and this is the best zone to buy. Should we drop to any of these levels, guys? Nobody know. We just work with possibilities. But logically, based on this model, at this area, it's $10.93, $14.27, 6, 16, and 4. It's more than okay to buy this token like a speculation. For the next targets to fix profit at zone of fixation is here for swing trade 33, 55, 36. Maybe we're gonna hold the line at this level and going higher. Can we pump to 100? Yes, of course. Guys, of course, now the hype is so big one around the Trump. Yes, we can form something like this one. Bam, bam, then retest and going higher. So nobody knows, guys, where this token will stop. But what I can know for sure, they use that liquidity from this token to inflow and buy another tokens. So just in case. Take a look the zones for Trump on a Bybit. Which one to use, guys, we can't know. We can't know. So if for you it's a comfortable price to buy this token at $20 or 18 or 15 and 14, you can buy it on a Bybit. That's the point, and that's a big problem when all exchanges list the token with different prices, and the Binance is totally another one. So guys, this is zone of interest. You can take a risk and even buy now. It's only up to you. So I share with you that model, and based on that model rules, we get a condition. So this is a zone of interest and invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. And we follow that rules. If some token not drop to that zone of interest, I just skip the token. Pretty simple. On the max, it's a little bit different, almost similar to the Bybit, but anyway, a little bit different. So it's 15, 11.79, and 7.27, 5.28. It means a zone of interest. What does it mean? It means at this area, you can start use DCA strategy. With a swing trade, for example, you buy in here, 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 your average around $9 at 33, 35, you could fix a profit and leave some tokens for a new all-time high. Can this token hit new all-time high? Easily, guys. So 20 billion market capitalization with $100 price, basically possible. Maybe it's going to be the top of the top for the cycle. Who knows? Who knows? I think we will see the upcoming season, altcoin season. So yes, it's more than real to see. What this candle about, I don't know. Let's use the 4-hour time frame because we need to see some on a higher time frames confirmation. So the whales accumulate or distribute. ADZ direction market mode. This is total euphoria, so definitely this is not the right time to buy. On the ADZ, we trade just in the middle, so this is not accumulation zone. On direction, we drop to the bottom, but not even close to the exact capitulation. So anyway, we need time for come down. Of course, we can pump and dump, guys, easily. It's the chart now remind me the Notcoin. If you don't remember the Notcoin, so just take a look. So this is a Notcoin on the Binance. Pretty similar, right? So Trump around here now, and we can drop it lower. And everybody who scream it, no, we never on the Notcoin, we never drop to the zone of interest here. We're not so far from the zone of interest. Just, I'm not compare, guys, the two tokens. I'm not compare the fundamental. I'm not compare the top game and the official Trump token. No, it's just a price action. So we build something similar. So it's now on 1 hour time frame, but on Notcoin, it's on a daily. So everything is just like a pattern, right? So this was a top distribution. Drop. We can drop even lower on 1 hour time frame. But of course, guys, 1 hour time frame is just like a speculation. So we need to see something like on 4 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, when you see some like a capitulation, you could trade intraday, for example. 4 hour time frame still euphoria. So no bullish signal, guys. So people made a craziness profit from this meme token, and they can fix a profit at any moment. A trade on and money power here. 4 hour time frame, money power at the bottom, but without a money inflow. So the whales not accumulate now. 12 hour time frame, no money inflow, nothing. No signal to buy here. Based on trade on 1 hour time frame, it was a pure signal to sell here. It was at this candle at $71 and then after at 74. So we drop, here's a buyback, pump, buyback, pump, buyback, pump. This is just tiny buybacks. Here's was a money inflow, back, money inflow, back. But we need to see something like this one, but on 4 hour time frame. And of course, you could track even on, let's say, 30 minutes time frame. Here, sell, sell, sell. Nothing new. Now, of course, like you can see, here's a recommendation, close position. Then we can see the pump to 49, for example, sweep this high, everybody's screaming we're going to the moon, then we land it again. So just in case, guys, I'm not a fan of this type of stories. I'm not a fan. All right, so 4 hour time frame, no data on trade on, take profit, I mean. Here, buy line for this token on the take profit indicator, now it started at 25.17. For the value, it's 1941. 30 minutes time frame, buy line 24.71, for the value 18.53. 15 minutes time frame, here 23.72, and for the value it's 17.65. So yes, of course, here we can move like this one. I already explained it. This can be the bad case scenario because we just wasted the time. Till that time, the lines can be here and going higher. So that's the point, guys. Just don't gamble too much. Don't click too much. Sometimes better wait. Just better wait. And sometimes better just skip the token. Of course, guys, the token with 34 billion FDV with a 6 billion capitalization from the pump fund or from Sol, you know, it's craziness. Just a craziness. What exactly are you expecting for? So you waited this token pump to 100 billion capitalization or so. So, guys, just relax. If you miss some token, it's okay. There's millions tokens launch every single day. The people made a lot of money with just luck. So guys, I hope you like this video. All zones for accumulation I share with you. Maybe I will share this idea also on TradingView. So we're gonna track it. If you want to trade with my customer records, I will show it in this video. Just write in the DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.